We're making keto Mongolian beef for PSMF. Let's go. I've been maintaining my weight on keto after achieving goal weight late 2017. And when you're maintaining, sometimes you go up and sometimes you go down. And right now, I seem to be on the up. That is one of the reasons why I decided to try a protein-sparing modified fast. And the other reason is the holidays are coming up and I'm trying to preempt a scenario where I've gained weight in January. By the way, hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes. And if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. I am going to share my experience doing a week of this type of fasting. Details like my starting weight, the health issues I have to deal with, my meal plan, exercise, and of course the end result. But before I do that, I'm releasing the recipes I used to achieve the PSMF goals, which is to reduce all your nutrition goals but up your protein. And that's so you don't lose muscle mass while you're fasting. And the goal is of course to either kick you out of a store or to boost your weight loss. This Mongolian beef recipe is so yummy. Let's get into it now. I'm using Scotch steak for this recipe, but you can use the steak of your choice. I finely sliced the beef, then added it to a bowl. For the seasonings, add a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder, and a quarter cup of coconut aminos. Mix that all together until it's combined. Then cover it and let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour. And you can do this the night before, but this recipe is also designed to be really quick and easy. When you're ready, over a high heat, melt the coconut oil, add the beef, and let it cook for about 5 minutes depending on how you like your steak, but also don't let the sauce dry out. And to serve it, add a cup of lettuce leaves to your plate and 79 grams of the Mongolian beef, and lastly a sprinkle of sliced shallots or spring onion and a little bit of sesame seeds. Now the nutritional information for this dish is in the description box, and do stay tuned because we have more protein sparing modified fast recipes coming up, as well as the week that I had my experience. So I hope you get to make it, and if you do, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.